Planning of dinner tonight, we have some delicious Arctic char. This is gonna be Jordan's. Is it yours? Okay. Arctic char, fresh from northern Quebec. This homemade Caesar salad. She wants a lot of croutons. We're doing 90-second rice. All right, it's perfect. And this is dinner for the night. Huh?
Why don't you play it?
Here. I'll do it.
Did you like it?
The char is really good. I don't know if you can eat this raw, I'm not sure. All right, that's dinner for the night. Bye.